Many young people want to volunteer, but opportunities scattered, unorganized, and easy to miss. Announcements are usually in group chats or social media posts, leading to confusion and low participation. Without a structured system, youth engagement becomes harder. Youth in Action solve this by offering a centralized platform where youth can discover activities and sign up instantly. For admins, it provides easier event management, monitoring, and reporting. On the volunteer side, users can browse activities, view full details, and register with one tap. On the admin dashboard, coordinators can create and publish activities quickly. They can track registrants and attendance, manage announcements, and view generated reports to support planning and evaluation. It is a complete tool for smooth and organized engagement management. Key features include event browsing, participation hours tracker, achievement budget system, personalized progress dashboard, and real-time updates. One platform, more impact.